When I first started my career, the idea of working from home sounded like a dream. No traffic, no rushing to catch the bus, no sitting in crowded offices. But back then, remote work was rare, something only freelancers or digital nomads talked about. Then came the global shift, when everything changed. Suddenly, the world discovered a new way to work, a way that combined technology, flexibility, and independence. I still remember the day my company announced, starting next week, we'll be working remotely. Everyone was shocked. My colleagues worried about distractions and communication problems. I worried about how I would adapt. But deep down, I was curious. What would the future of work look like when offices became optional? The first week was chaotic. My kitchen became my workspace, my laptop, my office, and my cat, my unexpected coworker. I learned how to manage online meetings, send professional emails, and keep track of tasks digitally. It wasn't easy at first. The boundaries between work and home disappeared. But as time passed, I started to enjoy the rhythm of remote life. I could focus better, save time, and even take short breaks to recharge. Soon, companies began realizing that remote work wasn't just a temporary solution, it was a revolution. Businesses saw that productivity didn't depend on location but on communication and motivation. Employees found more freedom and balance in their lives. Some even moved to different cities or countries while keeping their jobs. The world became more connected than ever before, not through offices, but through screens. As I adapted, I started learning new English vocabulary related to my new work environment, telecommuting, video conferencing, collaboration tools, digital workspace, and asynchronous communication. These words became part of my daily routine. Every morning I would say, let's schedule a virtual meeting, or please share the document in our cloud folder. It was English evolving with the modern world. One of the biggest challenges of remote work was staying connected as a team. Our manager introduced something called a virtual coffee break. Every Friday, we would join a video call just to chat. No deadlines, no reports, just friendly conversation. It helped us feel human again. We talked about our families, hobbies, and even shared English jokes from around the world. Working remotely also gave people a chance to explore digital nomadism, the lifestyle of traveling while working online. One of my friends, David, decided to live in Bali. He worked from a beach cafe every morning with the sound of waves behind him. "This is freedom," he said during one of our calls. I realized that technology had turned work into something borderless. However, the future of remote work wasn't perfect. Some people struggled with loneliness, burnout, and lack of motivation. It taught us that freedom comes with responsibility. To succeed, we had to develop self-discipline and time management skills. I learned to create a routine, wake up early, exercise, plan tasks, and take short breaks. Slowly, I found a healthy balance between productivity and peace. Companies also began changing their hiring systems. Suddenly, employers could hire the best talent from anywhere in the world. Teams became multicultural and multilingual. Working in English became more important than ever. It was the common language that united designers from Japan, developers from India, and marketers from Brazil. Every Zoom meeting became an international experience. As technology advanced, remote work tools became smarter. AI assistants scheduled meetings, translated languages, and even summarized discussions. Virtual reality meeting rooms allowed people to collaborate as if they were sitting side by side. I remember trying one for the first time. It felt like stepping into the future. My avatar shook hands with someone from another continent, and we both laughed. Over time, the definition of office changed completely. Some companies adopted hybrid work models, part office, part home. Others built digital headquarters where everything from onboarding to training happened online. It was no longer about where you worked, but how you worked. Creativity, adaptability, and communication became the new success factors. I realized that remote work gave people something more valuable than convenience. It gave them choice. Parents could spend more time with their children. Students could study and work simultaneously, and professionals could live closer to nature while maintaining their careers. The future of work was not about machines replacing people. It was about technology empowering humans to live better lives. Today, I still work remotely, but my view has changed. It's no longer about staying at home. It's about being free to design my lifestyle. I can start my day with coffee by the window, work with teammates across 5 time zones, and still have dinner with my family. English has become my passport to the global workplace, the tool that connects me with the world. Sometimes I imagine what remote work will look like 10 years from now. Maybe we'll meet in holographic rooms, or maybe AI will assist us like real co-workers. But one thing is clear: the future of work is flexible, borderless, and human-centered. As I close my laptop at the end of another productive day, I smile. I'm not just working, I'm living in the future. A future where language, technology, and humanity move forward together.